Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Amira, and today we are going to be trying out a few hacks. So let's get into the video. So the first one is for your pet to have no name. So practically what we have to do is A, Control J, A. Let's see if it worked. Oh my gosh guys, this actually worked and I wasn't expecting it to work. So anytime if you can't think of a name for your pet, you can just name it. You can just make it have no name like this. That is really cool. Oh wow, it still has no name. Wow. When I removed it. Good. Okay, let's put this phosphor back. The next hack is, I don't exactly know what this hack is for, but what you have to do is type in the chat console. Wait, what? What is this? And then you have to type money. Oh, wow. Value. Yeah, I had $72 and no, I had $52 and then I got cashed out. So I got $72. That is so cool. Wow. So you can see how much money you had before. The next hack is, I'm not exactly sure what it does, but it makes you run, I think. So you need this princess outfit. How you get that outfit is you just go to this button right here, this one right here, click it, and scroll down a little bit. Scroll down, scroll. It'll be here somewhere. We're gonna use the mouse to scroll, which is way easier. Okay, it's not here. Wait, guys, it says I have it. Maybe it's just, yeah, there it is, guys. Can y'all see it? Yeah, right there. So that's where you get it from, and you just need to wear it. And along with that, you need a car. So let's get a car out. I'm gonna use this car. You never know what's in the dress up place. There could be so many things. So what we have to do is we need to sit in emotions, actions, dance, and activities. And go to actions, click on sit. Oh my gosh, guys, it goes so fast. Oh, I had a little accident with the tree. Oops. Okay, now this is a really big space, so you guys can join your private server and try this. And so there aren't too many houses and you can just roam around. That is so cool. I don't think this will work on hills because they're going uphill. So when you're going from the neighborhood to the Adopt Me Isle, don't try it on the hill. So let's sit back to our house. Whoa! Oh my gosh, I almost went up. Wow. Wow, that is really cool. Uh-oh, guys, I'm stuck. No, I'm not. Okay, so the next hack, wait, let's just reset our avatar. Oops, it glitched a little bit here. Okay, so the next hack is to walk in the water. So let's just go to the water. Let's go find some water somewhere. So I know a little bit about this hack. Oh no, my hoverboard went in the water. I'm so sorry, hoverboard. You're not wet, right? Let's just get it out. Okay, so what we need to do is become a baby in the water. The next step is to become an adult again, a parent, and I think that's it. Oh no. It didn't work. Let's try again. Maybe we did something wrong. So let's switch to baby, the water. Next thing, let's switch to a parent again. No, let's try it like after 2 minutes. Let's count for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. That was a bit fast, but... Oh! Oops. Let's switch to a parent. Guys, I'm not sure this hack worked. I've actually tried this hack before and it has worked. Maybe we need to go here and do it. This is the last time we're gonna try this hack, guys. So let's just stay. We have to swim a few strokes. Oh no, how could I forget that? Okay, I've done that. Now let's become a parent. Okay, maybe I've done something wrong. Comment down below what I've done wrong and let's get into this video. Now the next thing, I have found a few hacks, like secret places and so a few secret places, and there's a secret room in the hospital, I think, and in the school, but let's go to the hospital first. I think it's a glitch area, but I'm not sure. Oh, everything's not loaded. Uh-oh. Okay, yeah, I think it was here, like right here. So we need to get out a flyable pet. Okay, let's get out a rabbit. Milkshake. Okay, let's get her out. And then let's get out a stroller. Let's do the car stroller. Then we just have to apply this. Oh my gosh, guys! We are in this secret place. I think there's another place here. Oh no, I think it's just a wall. But guys, this is crazy. How come I'm over here? Like, why has Adopt Me hidden this place? Maybe this place has a purpose, but we don't know that purpose yet. So, if you guys know what this purpose is, like the video and comment down below. So, guys, now we have to get out somewhere. How about we try to glitch out of this place, like here? That would be really cool. Wait, I wonder what's out here. Guys, it keeps glitching. Oh my gosh! It keeps glitching. Come on. Oh my gosh, guys, it keeps glitching. So I don't think there's a way to do this, but let's just go back. Yep, I think she's there. Yep, that is really weird, guys. You want to try this over here? Oh my gosh, I literally glitched. Oh, there's like a door, and this is a really big place above. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is just really big. I can actually build a sky castle over. Guys, this is like a secret door over here. I don't know how to go back. So go back in. So I'm just gonna teleport to the gift display. And stop my ride. Okay, let's just... So another hack, I think it's in the school. I don't exactly know what it is, but we're gonna try anytime. I know one in the nursery and one in the school. Oops, I'm going to the hospital. Yeah, one in the nursery and one in the school. No, get me wrong. There's actually one in the coffee shop, not in the school. Yeah, so Let's first do the one in the nursery. It's not loaded yet. I don't know why. Maybe there's some glitch. Wait, guys, I just glitched. I think it's glitching right now. Why is it not loading? Wow, I don't know why that's happening, but it's a bit, oh yeah, it came back now. It's a bit easy. All we need to do is take a maple hook. Let's try the frostbite cripple. Then we have to complete this. Let's shoot over there. Oh wait, guys, I thought this was supposed to be easy. Oh, how about we just glitch with Milkshake? Milkshake, where are you? Okay. Here she is. Now we need to get the same strip shoulder. Come on in. Yeah, wait. Nope, she's not out yet. Are you out? Are you out? Yeah, we're out. So this is the glitch, and apparently you have to circle through this. Oh my gosh, you can actually walk on the glass. That is really cool. We're gonna look what's above us. Maybe there could be something above us too. Nope, it's just that. Yep. Next below, you can literally, if we're like spying on someone, if they're coming to the nursery or something, we can just look down at them. That'd be really cool. Wow, and the last glitch is in the coffee shop. Now let's just teleport to the vehicles place because it's easier way. If you ever want to go to your house and not reset your character, you can just go to the coffee shop. I mean, you can just teleport to the vehicle place. Vehicle showroom. Okay, so the last hack, what you have to do is we need to just glitch. It's again a glitchy hack, but we have to deal with it, and we basically need to get behind Archer. Oh, excuse me. Oh my gosh, it's a bit crampy here. Oh my gosh, no. It's a bit crampy here. It's cramping a little bit. Excuse me, Archer, excuse me. Yeah, okay. Now we just need to get Milkshake. Yeah, let's get her. Get a stroller. Milkshake, where are you? Come on in. Come on in the stroller. Come on. Yep, you're in the stroller. So we need to do is fly. Okay, we're there. Stop ride. Oh god. Okay, so I think we're gonna end this video here, guys. This last hack, I'm not sure if you can actually get in here. But I'll be able to. I'll post a video on this. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll do more hacks in the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!